Hey guys, I'm Joel from Singapore. I'm recording this testimonial dedicated to Messenger bots for an entrepreneur course by Nico Moreno. I'm still a relatively beginner in the world of digital marketing, and I can say that I have learned a lot from the course. The thing is, I'm so confused with all the information available around the internet, and it just takes a lot of time and effort to filter through and compile the information so that you can make good use of messenger bots for your business. Nico's course is extremely helpful for beginners like me, as he compiles the information and breaks them down into easily digestible pieces. The course outlines step by step on what you need to do in order to build your first messenger chatbot and how to use different growth tools to grow your messenger subscriber list. And most importantly, it teaches you how to price your bot if you are running a marketing agency and you intend to sell the bots to your client. Also, the bots template provided in the training are just amazing. The bots template have been tested and proven to work. With the bots template, you do not have to build your messenger bots from scratch. And what's most important is that you have an idea on what a great messenger bot should be. Thank you once again, Nico, for helping me to reach the next level in my digital marketing knowledge. Thank you so much.